In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Zoho Workdrive to WordPress website Zoho Flow. This process lets you display a Zoho Workdrive file or folder directly on a WordPress page or post using an embed code. The main idea is simple. You generate an embed code inside Workdrive, then you paste that code into WordPress using the code view so it renders correctly on your site. First, go into Zoho Workdrive and locate the exact file or folder you want visitors to see. Take your time here because the embed will show whatever item you select. Once you have found it, right-click on that file or folder to open the menu. From the menu, select Share and then choose New Embed Code. This opens the embed settings, where you can control how the preview will appear on your website. You will usually see options like the size of the embedded window and the theme or display style. Adjust these settings based on where you are placing it in WordPress. For example, a wider embed works better on full-width pages, while a smaller size can fit neatly in a section or column. Make sure the preview looks clean and readable before you continue. When you are happy with the way it looks, click Copy Code. This copies the full embed code to your clipboard. At this point, it is a good idea to avoid editing the code manually, since even a small change can stop it from displaying properly. Now switch over to WordPress. Open the page or post where you want the Workdrive file or folder to appear. Go into the editor and locate the Code tab or the Code view depending on the editor you are using. This is important because pasting embed code into the visual editor can sometimes strip out parts of the code or reformat it. Paste the embed code exactly where you want the content to show up on the page. After pasting, review the surrounding content to make sure spacing looks right, then publish the page or post. Once it is published, visit the page on the front end of your website to confirm the embedded preview displays correctly. And that is all there is to it.